Prolong the life of your assets and reduce downtime with an easy-to-use software for managing, tracking and documenting maintenance activities. Have a modern UI design and a real-time integration with SAP S4 HANA ERP. Maintenance on the fly. The solution saves your company time, money and resources with web-based graphical planning and scheduling tool to assist maintenance teams with work order management. Mobile maintenance application for the technicians in the field with the ability to work offline. Dashboard and reports on performance. Native integration with SAP S4HANA, SAP ERP work order management. Use drag and drop functionality of the planning board to prioritize and plan existing work orders and allocate resources. Create, group new work orders and easily assign them to a team or team members. Apply resource auto allocation. Align maintenance schedule with production availability. Real-time sync with SAP. Mobile maintenance. View, update work orders assigned. View detailed maintenance history. Scan QR codes and PC tags to quickly access important equipment data, manuals and much more. Locate equipment on the field map. View my location on the field map using GPS. Take pictures or videos using the integrated device camera. Synchronize with the SAP backend at user-defined intervals. Integration with SAP S4HANA ERP. The solution is fully integrated with SAP S4HANA and uses SAP PM as accounting system. All initial data and results of hull walkdowns repairs in the module. Compare team performances. The solution uses reference data maintained in SAP. Don't wait. Get started with the maintenance on the fly today. For more information or to request a free demo, go to KRIT.LLC.